illusions, darling. Only for you, I'm never cool. You're an illusion, darling. I'm here by trying to make it all sound in my brain. It's like I'm high and it's you that I only crave. In my spare time, I'm always stalking your page. Dissecting, analyze, got a problem, but hey, you posting for attraction, for me it's a phase. Lost in my pursuits, you keep me entertained. Who's this? Falling for you. I'm 22. I'm seeing illusions, darling. Only for you. I'm never cool. You're an illusion. Despite you from my mind with the lines on your face. Can tell you when I last even feel my heart race. The vibe you got online is something you ain't. I feel like I just know you with captions to say. It's not suicide, I just hate going out, I relate. Feel like a crime, I look good, tell me how do you rate?